Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making Elk Osso Buco Style. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 2 hour 30-minute to cook. Serves 6 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 6 elk shanks, ½ cup flour for dredging, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 4 cloves garlic, 1 cup white wine, 1 can 14.5 ounces diced tomatoes, 2 cups beef stock, 2 bay leaves, 2 sprigs fresh thyme, 1 sprig rosemary, salt and pepper to taste, zest of 1 lemon, 2 cloves garlic, and 1/4 cup fresh parsley. Step 1. Preparation. Season shanks with salt and pepper, then dredge lightly in flour. Step 2. Browning. Heat olive oil in heavy Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown shanks on all sides, about 8 minutes total. Remove and set aside. Step 3. Sofrito. In same pot, sauté onion, carrots, and celery until softened and lightly caramelized, about 10 minutes. Add garlic and cook 1 minute more. Step 4. Deglazing. Add white wine, scraping up brown bits. Cook until wine reduces by half. Step 5. Braising setup. Add tomatoes, stock, herbs, and browned shanks. Bring to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 6. Slow cooking. Cover and braise in 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 2.5 hours until meat is fork tender and falling off the bone. Step 7. Gremolata. Combine lemon zest, minced garlic, and parsley just before serving. And that's how you make Elk Osso Buco Style. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.